So late last year, an application called Clubhouse was launched, and it was specifically available for iPhone users only. And it's allowed you to just have a voice chat on a social media, which was a bit cool, more or less like having a meeting whilst you are online, or maybe you can just meet random social media gurus and then you can just talk to them for free. Later last year, Twitter also released Twitter Spaces, which was also limited to just iPhone users, and I think that was bad on the part of those who are using Android phones. So this year, Telegram has been able to release Telegram voice chat, which is basically the game changer for all Android users, because they are still limited to use Twitter Spaces and then Clubhouse, and then can just jump on this and then start using it right away. I think one way or the other, it's going to be a big blow to Clubhouse owners and then Twitter Spaces owners, but it is what it is. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you how you're going to be able to start a voice chat on Telegram. First of all you need to do is download a Telegram application on your iPhone, your iPad, or your Android phone, because it's compatible for all phones. And then what you do next is you hit on this one right here if you're using an iPhone, and then you create a new group or a new channel, and that is basically very cool. So I'm just going to create a channel, and then I show you the necessary things you need to do. So I'm just going to type in fun and description and then I create my channel. So next, let me put the channel publicly, and then I'm just going to add myself on the channel, and you now have your channel right here. So that is basically the first thing you need to do. If you want to start it, then this is what you need to do. You need to create a channel or a group. So I'm going to create a group too, and I'm still going to add myself. So right now you are done with your group and then your channel. So what you do next is you click on the group like this. That is what is open right here, and then you click on the name right here, and you can see this option right here in your settings. And what you're going to do is you click on more, and you're going to see start voice chat. So basically, if you just want to start this voice chat with the group, you're going to hit this side, and then it's going to ask you if you want to present the voice chat to people as your real name or the group name. So I think the group name will be perfect, so that a lot of people will know that the group is having a voice chat. So when you just see this space right here, what you can do is when you tap on it like this, it's going to allow you to talk. And when you keep quiet right away, this side is going to change, and then you're going to be a listener. It's just going to change from speaking to listening. So I'm just going to keep quiet right away, and you guys should just look at this side. So you see, I was listening right away. And if you feel like maybe you don't want to talk in the group chat you guys are having, and then you can just press this side to mute it. You hit on this side to just leave, and that is basically very cool. So you probably maybe want to just check your volume of your microphone. You can just tap on that side, and then you can just tune your volume to 200%, and that is also very cool. And when you hit on this side, invite members, you're going to be able to invite everyone in your contact, and that is also one cool thing. And you can click this side to just copy the link and share it to people you think that is going to be interested in this group chat. So that is basically how this is done when you are using a group, and you just click the side to leave and then end all voice chats. So if you want to just have a voice chat on your channel too, you click on this side, you click on the channel, and then you just click on the name right here like you did for the group, and then you hit on these three dots right here, and you can still start a voice chat. You can choose to start a voice chat with your channel name or your real name. So I think it's going to be best with the channel name, and you're still going to see it presented like how it was presented to us when we were having the group chat. When you hit on this side, it's just going to take the voice chat off but still active, and you click on this side and it's going to pop up again. So that is basically very cool, and I think you guys need to try it out. If you're an Android user, I think it's the best time for you to just try this voice chat. You can chat with a lot of friends. You can invite people who are not even your friends with the link you're going to share right here, and you're going to be able to just start a voice chat. Probably maybe you want to start something that is very influential, and you think you need people to get on board. You can just start this Telegram voice chat, and that is basically going to help you promote whatever you want to promote, whatever you want to start on a social media or any social platform. So I hope this video was very helpful to you, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to anyone you think this is going to be very cool with them or ideal to whatever they want to do. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.